Hello, my name is Melanie Chavis and I'm going to do a DIY for you. It is a soothing salve for my dogs. Got these two little lovely dogs here, Ruby and Chewy. They get little itchy spots, so I'm going to make them a nice salve. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to melt some coconut oil, any kind of coconut oil you have, unrefined, organic, 8 ounces, which is about a cup. Melted of coconut oil. And then you want to take some beeswax, maybe about 2 tablespoons. And then what you're going to do is heat that either in a double boiler. I just continue to reuse my glass container and I just defrost it in the microwave until it's melted. And then you mix that all together, make sure everything's mixed up with a toothpick. And then put maybe 3 drops of vitamin E oil or lanolin. And then we add our drops of oils. We add 5 drops of helichrysum and 10 drops of myrrh, 15 drops of frankincense, 10 drops of copaiba, and then 10 drops of lavender. Drop those in there, mix that up really, really good. And then let it cool. And then you have your salve for your pets. And just rub it on their skin, you know, where they have those itchy and dry spots. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Bye-bye.